All right, boys and girls, here we go. Today's lesson, combined like terms, day 2. Remember last Thursday we hit and started combined like terms. We're going to hit a second day of combined like terms and then get, wow, we're almost done with this unit. So, a refresher, like terms means you have the same variable and exponent. So, look at a problem like number 1. We see these two are called polynomials, and they are inside these parentheses. So there's really nothing we can do with them while they're inside the parentheses. If you remember back to order of operations, the first thought you should have when you see any sort of grouping symbol is look inside the grouping symbol. Is there anything inside the grouping symbol I can simplify? So we go back to our combined like terms. I got an x squared, I got an x, and I have no variable. Note like terms in here, nothing can be simplified. Parentheses number 2, x squared, x, no variable, no like terms, nothing can be simplified. All right, so then our second thought is, well, can I distribute? Do I have something in front of my parentheses that I can distribute? Well, there's nothing here. There's technically a 1, but there's a positive sign here. Can I distribute a positive sign? Well, again, technically there's a 1 in front of everything. So if I distribute and I multiply by a 1, what am I going to get? This times this is 3x squared plus 4x minus 5. I take my positive 1, I distribute that, and I get plus 2x squared, because multiplied by positive 1 doesn't change anything, minus 5x plus 1. Now, instead of having 2 polynomials, we've got one giant problem. Now that we're looking at them again, and I'm thinking like terms, I see I have some like terms I can combine. 3x squared and 2x squared. Again, use the sign in front, never the sign behind. Gives me 5x squared plus 4x minus 5x gives me minus 1x. Writing the 1 is optional. Minus 5 plus 1, minus 4. Can't simplify any further. That's the end of the problem. Number 2. Again, same concept. Can I simplify in here? Nope. Simplify in here? Nope. Okay. What's in front of here? Can I distribute a 1? Sure. 6x squared minus 4x plus 3. What's in front of here? A negative 1. So now when I distribute the negative 1, this is going to be minus 2x squared. Negative 1 times positive 5 is minus 5x. Negative times negative plus 9. So now, again, I've got it down to one problem instead of subtracting 2 problems. And now I can combine like terms. Minus 4 minus 5 is minus 9, plus 3 plus 9 plus 12. Simplified. Done. Moving on. Again, inside, nope. Second thought, can I distribute? It's important you're thinking these things in this order. It goes back to order of operations. Can I do anything with my grouping symbols? Can I clean up what's on the inside? No. Second thought, exponents. I don't have any exponents out here. That'd be a future thing, like algebra 2. And then multiplying and dividing is the next step. You should not be looking at 5 minus 6. Adding and subtracting is the last step of the order of operations. I have got to be thinking distribution first. Now, the 5 untouched. That's a negative 6 out front. Again, sign in front of the number. Use the sign in front of the number. When I distribute, I get minus 18x minus 12. Now we combine like terms. There's no other x terms. Gives me negative 18x minus 7. Let's talk about the way you write an answer. So, it's important to note there is a technically right way to do this, and you put your variable terms first. Technically, this is the same thing, but you need to understand you will almost never see it written that way. You'll see your variable terms first. If there's more than one variable, like in these answers, the highest exponents get written first. All right? So here we go, number 4. Again, can I simplify what's inside the parentheses? Nope. My next thought is distribution. Boom, boom. X minus 2x minus 14. So this is untouched. The negative 2 times x, negative 2x. Remember, there's a 1 in front of there, so I'm multiplying still. This times this is negative 14. Like terms, bam, bam. X minus 2x is minus 1x minus 14. And finally, number 5. Again, distribution. 4x minus 20 minus 2x plus 2. Combine like terms. 2x minus 18. Bing, bang, boom. Mic dropped. Lesson assigned. Be careful. Take care.